everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing an Easter chick nail set. I got these little chicks here from Shein. I've had them for a little while, so I was like, oh, I want to do an Easter set. So I'll be using those, and then I'm using the long sculptured square tips, of course, from Enailcouture, the SXC Glow in the Dark Taurus orange shade, and then the yellow shade from the Femi Beauty Makartt kit. And then I have these little fimo chicks coming out of an egg, and then I'll probably be using some of the other little eggs that are down there. And then some orange glitter, that's from the Ocean Couture set from Makartt. And then I might be using some of the yellow flowers in this glitter, also from the Femi Beauty kit. And then I have these foils here that have the little chicks also with the coming out of the egg, so I'll probably be using that too. So yeah, I hope you enjoy. I'll be doing my left hand today. So I'm going to start with the Burano 3-in-1. So I'm just applying a thin layer to the tip, and then I'm just going to go ahead and take that orange glitter and just sprinkle a little bit. Sorry, I kind of got out of frame there, but I'm just the glitter, and then some of them, like the chunkier ones, I would just move around with that little micro brush. And then I just flash cured it just for a few seconds, and then after I flash cured, I'll go in with the Burano again and just put a layer over that to seal in all the glitters, and then I'll flash cure that for a few seconds. So now I'm going to be doing the ring finger. This is going to be with the little fimo pieces, and I'm going to be doing the yellow polygel on those. I just show one nail because it's all repetitive, like the orange is going to be on 3 fingers and it's just the same steps. So I just laid some of the Burano and then put the little fimo piece and just flash cured that for a couple seconds. And then now I'm going to go in the same thing and put the little egg in the middle. So I'm just doing it just a little bit at a time because some of the pieces are hard to hold down, so I had to do one at a time. And then at the tip I'll go ahead and put another little chick there. This little piece was not cooperating, and then the tip ended up flying off. So yeah, that's why I was doing them one at a time. So then once I get all the fimo pieces on, I go ahead and put another layer of the Burano on top just to seal those in. And this is what they all look like here. I think they look super cute. So now we're going to go ahead and start applying the tips. So I'm using this peel off base coat. This is the one that you cure. I actually really like it because I can keep the tips on pretty much as long as I want, and when I want to take them off, I just have to put my hands in hot water and then they come right off. So I want to keep these on till Easter. I'm going to do my other hand too with a different design. So yeah, I just put a layer of that on, and then I cure that for 30 seconds. And then I'm going to go in with the Enailcouture base coat. This pink that I have on my fingers with the bluish tint, that's from Enailcouture. It's a nail strengthener, and oh, I just love it. It's so pretty. I'm trying to get my nails a little bit stronger, so I'm going to be wearing that underneath my peel off base coat. So now I'm going in on the pinky, middle, and thumb where the orange glitter is. I'm going to go in with this glow in the dark polygel from SXC, and I'm just using my 91% alcohol and just pressing the polygel in place, making sure that I don't leave any clear spaces, making sure it's all covered up the sides of the nail. So now I'm just going to place the tip on my finger, and then I go around. If any excess polygel came out around the cuticle, I go ahead and clean that up with some alcohol. And just make sure it's all in place, and then I just flash cure it just for a few seconds. And then while the underside's still a little bit soft, that's when I go in with the brush and just smooth it out so there's not a ridge or anything under there. And then now I'm going to go in on I already put all the middle and the thumb fingers on. So now I'm going to go in with the ring finger and the pointer finger, and we're going to be putting the yellow in where we put the little fimo pieces. So same thing, just pressing that in place and then placing it on the nail. And then once all the tips are on, I go ahead and cure my full hand for 60 seconds. Once I cured my full hand for 60 seconds and wiped all the tips with alcohol, I go in with a sanding band just to roughen up the nail tips to remove any polygel that seeped out around the cuticles. And then I'll also be taking a cuticle bit and going around the cuticles, just making sure that we removed any polygel around there, and then making sure that the tips look flush with the cuticles. So now I'm going to be placing this little foil on my pinky finger. So I'm going to be using the Makartt Nail Art foil glue and just putting it basically about half the nail. That's where the foil is going to fit. So I just apply a generous amount. I cure that for 60 seconds, and then when it comes out of the light, I wait about 30 seconds before I place the foil, and that's when you have like the best results. You let it kind of sit there and get more sticky. So I just place the foil on, rub it in with my finger really good, and then I also use a silicone tool just to be sure it's rubbed in good. And then yeah, once you rub it in good, just take it off, and this one came out perfect. Nothing was left on the clear, little paper, so that's always good because I was not having a good time with foils before, but they're coming out better. So, and I'm just gonna go ahead and top coat that foil there to protect it, and then I'll cure that for 60 seconds. And then now I'm just going to be going in and placing rhinestones. I'm going to be placing yellow rhinestones on the pinky where I just put the foil. And then you'll see me go in too with some orange ones that I put around the cuticle of the yellow nail. So these are the finished nails here. I think they came out super cute. So yeah, I was gonna take them off right after, but I decided to leave them on, and I'm gonna do the other hand with a different design. So I am gonna show some pictures too of how the orange ones glow in the dark. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye.